speak in English during shopping? Where is the entrance? Where is the entrance? How much is this? How much is this? Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another size? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? I am looking for a gift. I am looking for a gift. Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? Is there any discount on this? Is there any discount on this? Can I get a bag, please? Can I get a bag, please? Where is the checkout counter? Where is the checkout counter? I am just browsing, thank you. I am just browsing, thank you. Do you have this in another color? Do you have this in another color? Is this available in stock? Is this available in stock? Can you show me some options? Can you show me some options? How do I pay for this? How do I pay for this? Can I get a receipt, please? Can I get a receipt, please? I need this in a larger size. I need this in a larger size. Where is the exit? Where is the exit? Do you have any offers today? Do you have any offers today? Can I return this if it doesn't fit? Can I return this if it doesn't fit? I am looking for children's clothing. I am looking for children's clothing. Can you help me find this item? Can you help me find this item? Where is the food court? Where is the food court? Is this on sale? Is this on sale? I'll take this one. I'll take this one. Can I pay in cash? Can I pay in cash? Do you have a shopping cart? Do you have a shopping cart? This is too expensive. This is too expensive. Is there a warranty on this item? Is there a warranty on this item? Can you wrap this as a gift? Can you wrap this as a gift? I am looking for the electronics section. I am looking for the electronics section. What are your store hours? What are your store hours? Can I exchange this item? Can I exchange this item? Do you have any new arrivals? Do you have any new arrivals? Where is the lift? Where is the lift? I need help with my bags. I need help with my bags.